Hello, we're at 1411 South Clermont Street in Denver, Colorado. Today's date is October 21st, 2025 at approximately 1:58 p.m. We are located here at the main city tap connection, which is approximately 53 feet with 7 inches. Today we are performing a sewer scope after getting rid of some root intrusion. And we're also doing this scope because there was a repair at the main city tap connection. Alrighty, let's get started. This is some of that root we got rid of that went to hit the city main. You can see there's the main city tap connection. Good transition. There's your transition from SDR plastic to clay. Good transition there. This line is in really good condition. It has really good flow. No bellies, no cracks, or nothing of that sort. We just had some minor root intrusion that we got rid of. As you can see though, the line has really good water flow. And right here is where there was some of that root intrusion that we got rid of. Here's your transition. No, not yet, sorry. Okay, here's your transition from clay to cast iron. Good transition there. The cast iron's also in good condition. No bellies or cracks or none of that sort. That concludes our scope. Thanks for watching.